This is S&P 500. So what happened last week? Last week, we were here. There was a Tuesday bar, and I talked about the bearish case. And because of the increasing of the volatility, that's the main reason we see that there's increase of the volatility together with two reaction. And likely we couldn't support to hold. So that's why I expect further weakness ahead. And I draw up the green box as the support zone. Right now, it's testing the support zone. We can say that the first target of the S&P 500 has been hit. Although we still have a little bit room right here, about 39.20, but we need to focus on the price action. Last Tuesday, we see that there's a breakdown. This is the breakdown bar. And from here on, the direction is confirmed. It's going down. And although on Wednesday, there is a tiny little bar, so that's showing effort versus results with the similar efforts behind. What we have here in S&P 500 is very little progress to the downside, and a little bit of the demand tail suggests there is buy on dip. There's presence of the demand right on this bar. We need to get a confirmation on the next bar. So do we get that? How is the rally like? How's the quality of the rally? This bar is actually a bullish bar, but the quality of the rally is not that great. Although we do get slightly more demand tail right here, but the progress to the upside is very little, suggests the continuation to the downside. That's why we have the next bar here. And this actually touch or break below the 4,000 psychological barrier and into the green box. After that, although there is signs of the shortening of the trust to the downside, as shown up here, you can see that the trust to the downside is getting shorter and shorter. Technically, it's like seeing the momentum to the downside is exhausted. This just coincides with this support zone. We have the exhausted momentum to the downside, and that's right at the support zone. I think this is an ideal place to expect a rebound. Although this is exhaustion of the momentum to the downside, but we still haven't seen the change of character bar, which is the best bar or the best rally that we want to see within this downtrend. That is the confirmation that is going to turn to the upside. Until we see that, the direction is still down. But we can already see that there is the exhaustion show up as seen in the shortening of the trust to the downside. And also with consistent of the volume behind, suggesting there is demand come in at this support zone. If there is a rally or a big bullish bar, from here on, I wouldn't be too much surprised. This is kind of expected. What I actually expect the price to do is like doing something like this, an attempt to rally or change of character, and then followed by another test with even little progress to the downside. And then we can form another trading range to resolve itself out before we see another up move ahead. For now, the trend is still down in terms of the swing. So until we see that the change of character bar to show up and then followed by attempt to rally or another test with decreasing of the supply, we need to keep an open eye to anticipate both the bearish and the bullish scenario. Right now, the good thing is the momentum to the downside is getting exhausted, and we want to get a price to show the confirmation. If you want to catch my latest videos, click on the subscribe button and the bell right now so that you get instant notification once I upload my latest video. If you want to check out my online courses, go to tradeprecise.com to find out how to profit consistently from any market without using complex indicator or understanding any financial statement, no matter you are trading or investing.